Welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make fudgy brownie. To begin, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and then line and place a parchment paper on the baking tray and then grease again with oil or butter. And then in a large bowl I'm gonna add melted butter, oil and vanilla extracts and add sugar. And then you are going to mix until combined. And then you're gonna add a pinch of salt, eggs, mix until completely done. Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna add flour and cocoa powder. Use a spoon to mix, or just use you can just sift it as well. So then you're gonna pour all this dry ingredient to the wet and then mix well until you get this consistency. Now you're gonna take your baking pan and pour all this fudgy brownie batter and then use a spatula to flat them all over. Then I'm using chocolate, cutting them into chunk pieces. You can also use chocolate chips. And all I'm gonna do right now is just fold the paper, which makes it easier, and sprinkle the chocolate all over the top of the brownie. And then as you can see, I use my hand to spread them around and also a spatula to just press them gently so that they stick to the batter. And then bake until done. It's gonna take you about 30 to 35 minutes. So you can see it's easy to lift the paper up and then cut the brownie into your desired shape and also the size. Your brownie is ready. It is so easy to make, and also it is so delicious, guys. You guys can see how gorgeous is the brownie looking. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. I will see you next time with another one. Please like, subscribe, and bye bye.